Good morning, Miles. Whose shoes do you have on today? Can you walk in those? More shoes? Go ahead and get in them. Hi, buddy. Yeah, the shoes are over there now. Aw, thanks, buddy. Oh, in they go. Put them in. Those are diaper doublers drying on the rail there, in case anyone's wondering. I guess he lost interest in the shoes. Miles, what are you going to do with the shoes?
No.
Are you going to put Mama's shoes away? Where do they go? In the closet? Okay, I'll help you. Good job. Are you gonna get the vacuum cleaner? Did you put the shoes away into the closet? Did you put them inside? Let's see. They're kind of in the way. Okay, it's too dark in there to see, so let's come on out. Can you close the door? There you go. Good job. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock. Where are you going? There's another door. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock. What other door can you knock on? Can you knock on the front door?
No, no.
Knock, knock. Is anyone gonna open it? Okay. See you later. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.